Hi, I am Sanjana and I am the Lakmé expert. Today we are going to create the look called the Coral Flush. This look is very experimental and is inspired by the trends that we have seen this season at Lakmé Fashion. We are going to use the Kareena Kapoor Khan cheek contour in the shade Coral Diva for the eyes. It's just going to be first tap, 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 tap and then blending it out with your fingers. Next color that I'll be using is a pink lady from the same range. We will start it from the corner of the eye and go to the cheek. We tap it and blend. To finish up this eye look, some luscious long lashes will definitely do the trick. I'm going to frame her face because it's all about the eye. For all those who like a little shimmer, we're going to end the look with a little gold in the inner corner. Finish this look with new matte ultimate lip shade Petal Pink. I hope you like this look, and to create this look you can get all your products from www.lakmeindia.com.